Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, here I have my MacBook here. This will apply to the MacBook Pro. In fact, it applies to all of them. Now, if you have updated the latest version of Mac, one of the things that you might be looking for is you go ahead and you're searching for the webcam. There's no webcam. All right, so there's no web camera. And of course, there is a webcam because it's right there somewhere. So let's say, for example, you actually want a webcam. You may not be able to find it, or based on memory, you know that there was a dedicated webcam, but you can't seem to find it anymore. And of course, if you try to use something like FaceTime, there is a camera, so it will access the camera. However, what if you want to access the camera and you're not using FaceTime and you just want to simply access the camera directly? I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to search for this app that's called Magnifier. And Magnifier is the app that you wouldn't really suspect that it has the webcam in it, but this one actually has. And that's how you access the camera with the latest updates of Mac. So I'm going to move the camera back so I don't end up on camera. So if you go to Magnifier, you'll notice right here, it will launch the camera. And it's here, it can also use your iPhone camera, so I'm gonna not use that right now. And to prove that it's my actual camera, it's a little bit fuzzy. I'll have to clean it off so you can see that the camera is right there. And now you have the webcam. You can take a photo, you can mess with the zoom, you can do filters. It's all here, and it's all through the Magnifier app. So of course you do still have the webcam, but just in case you're wondering where did it go, it's actually now on the Magnifier versus being called webcam. It would be nice to have a dedicated webcam, but of course, for whatever reason, it's now on the Magnifier app. I'm going to close it out. So hope that was useful, guys, in terms of finding your webcam application. It's actually still there, but it's on the Magnifier. Hope that was useful. See you in the next one. Bye.